everyone, you're welcome back to NG Styles Kitchen. So here we are going to be making some turkey. We're going to be marinating the perfect Thanksgiving turkey and we're going to grill it. That's what the video is all about. So to do this, we're going to start by making a bed for our turkey to lay on. So just use any vegetable of your choice to make the bed. So here in that pan there, I have some celery stalk, carrots, some green bell peppers, some onions, some herbs such as sage, thyme leaf, and some fresh rosemary leaves. Those are the things I have on that pan. And our turkey, as you can see, is laying nicely on on his bed. Okay, what I'm doing here now is trying to separate the skin of the turkey, trying to separate it from the meat, the turkey meat. So after separating it, then I'm going to go ahead and start rubbing in the all-purpose marinade seasoning I made last time. I have the video on my channel here somewhere. I'm going to also link the video of how to make this all-purpose marinade seasoning. I'm going to leave the link in the description so that you can see how I made the seasoning I'm using here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and rub this seasoning all over. Make sure you put, after separating the skin from the body, put some chunk of this seasoning in there so that they can go into that turkey, so that they can penetrate and penetrate and make this turkey some juicy and delicious one. You know what I mean? So after rubbing it, I'm gonna go ahead and start stuffing. Yeah, stuffing with some onion, some carrots, some celery stalks, some green chili peppers, some green bell pepper, and some herbs. I'm using some poultry blends here, some chive leaf, using rosemary leaf, fresh thyme leaf, and some sage. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and tuck in the turkey wings. Just tuck it in like so. Then go ahead and tie the legs together. That's what I'm doing here. So after that, I'm going to cover this. So what I'm doing here is just the leftover marinade. I just pour it on top of the turkey. Pour it. I don't want anything to go to waste. And we are not going to put it back in the order. So we're going to pour it on there and rub it all over. So after that, I'm going to cover it with some plastic wrap and also cover it with some foil before putting it into my refrigerator. As you can see, yeah. So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and allow it to marinate overnight. So see you guys tomorrow. Okay, it's the next morning, the next day here, and our turkey have been sitting in the fridge for all night, all morning. So right now it's about to go to the oven. I have preheated my oven to 400 degree Fahrenheit, and this turkey will be baking or grilling for 4 hours. But before the 4 hours, this is the first 2 hours. So after the first 2 hours, I brought it out, and here I am trying to baste it. Yes, baste it with the juice that came out of the turkey. So after basting it, put it back in the oven and allow it to grill for another 2 hours, making it 4 hours. And after 4 hours, just look at that temperature there. Okay, start counting down with me. You can see this turkey is well done, well cooked, well grilled. Look at that, up to 220. Can you see? So the turkey is so delicious, falling off the bone, and it tastes so good. So this is just a simple video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.